Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Joy, back with another video. That was ugly. Sorry, let me start again. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Joy, back with another video. And so today I will be talking about one of my biggest insecurities and then reviewing a product to maybe combat that insecurity and help it a little bit. If you don't know who I am, hi, I'm Joy. I make college beauty vlogs, lifestyle, interviews, commentary type videos. So if that's what you're interested in, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today we will be reviewing this product that I bought as a joke originally. I kept looking at it when I was in Marshall's with my sister, and I was like, that would make a really a funny, weird video. Because I'm really young and most people my age don't buy something like this because they don't need it. And basically it's from the brand Cover Your Gray, and it's their fill-in fiber, if you can see right here. And then this is what it looks like, and it's in the color dark brown. Basically what this is like, people can use it to cover gray hair, they can use it to cover balding or thinning hair, hair loss, and stuff like that. And it costed me $4.99 at Marshall's, and then it's online on their website. It's like $10, I want to say, or $11, so it's super affordable. It is 12 grams, and so I bought this because I need something like this. So now this is the part where we will talk about one of my biggest insecurities, and I don't want to go too in depth in this because I plan on trying to do a video talking about my insecurities, so I don't want to, go into detail. So ever since I was little, I've had a messed up hairline, and I'm sure you've seen it in videos. People have definitely pointed out my wacky hairline in some of my videos, and when MGTOW people did videos on me, I saw a lot of their comment sections talking about my hairline, how it's messed up, how it hit the wall already, this and that. And it was honestly some pretty painful comments, because it is a really big insecurity that I've had for my whole life, and there's nothing I could do about it. I've just always had it. It's not like I'm going bald. I'm not losing hair out of the ordinary. There's pictures of me when I was little, like a toddler, and my hair is messed up. And basically what I'm talking about is that it looks like an M. A normal person's hairline fill up all of this area right here, and you see I have some baby hairs. In the past couple years, I've had baby hair growth, which I didn't for a long time, and so they start to fill out a lot more. Over time, my hairline has looked a lot better, or I've just gotten better at hiding this. The same thing on this side. A normal person's hairline would fill all of this. The other problem is when I pull it back, you can just see that it's just kind of bald. Like, it just recedes backwards, and it just looks weird, and you can just see it in any photo of me. And even if I try to hide it, you can just tell that it's not normal. Because see, look, my hairline's right here, and you have all this space right here of skin. And the same thing is over here. My hair is really thin, especially in the front area of my hairline. And it's been like that for my whole life. And it's been a really big insecurity because I'm young. I'm still young. I'm 20, and and women usually hide behind the hair, which I do, but where's all the hair to hide behind? And so it's really, when I was younger, I didn't care about it, because when I was younger, I really didn't care what I looked like. But as I got older, this is why I don't wear my hair up a lot, because you can see it. Like, if I was to put my hair in a ponytail, you could see it. And so I hate that so much. So I leave my hair down. So yeah. We're gonna try this out, so let me open this up for you guys. This is what it looks like. It says, instantly fills in thinning areas and conceals hair loss, blending evenly to make hair look naturally thick and full. Let's take this cover up. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That's actually like working. Whoa. Oh my gosh. New hairline who? Bro, if this really works, I'm gonna be using this everywhere I go whenever there's photos of me. Wow, like you can already see the difference. What the heck? Oh my god. Where has this product been my whole life? This is gonna look weird because I'm not used to having a hairline look normal. Oh! What? What? Like, oh my gosh, I can flip my hair like this because my hairline is normal. And this product, they have products for men and women, but you could use this if you're a dude too. Okay, that looks really bad. So I'm not really sure how you're supposed to. I'm getting a lot of product on my fingers, so I'm not really sure like what is the proper technique. Oh my gosh. But the sides look a lot fuller already, if you can't tell. I should just accept my fate and just realize my hairline is a lost cause. Oh. Oh. Just slap it in. The difference. Like, wow. Ooh. I think it made a difference. Oh, update guys. So, from far away, it's harder to tell my bald spot. And if you look, it made my bald spot less noticeable. Like, you see how much like smaller this area is or looks as like before was. Now look at that. Look, my hairline looks more normal, especially from far away. Oh my gosh. And then this side, like it's harder to tell too. And you see I can't do much about this because there's no hair for the fibers to just really latch onto. But if I have my hair down like this, it's harder to see, or it's harder to really like notice if my hair line is messed up. I could put my hair behind my ear and my hairline would still look a little bit normal. Wow. That's amazing. Thank you guys for joining me on this hair journey, and I probably used like half of this just trying to fix my hairline. I'm impressed by how well it works. Obviously, if you're trying to fix your hairline and make it as normal as possible, if you have a hairline like me, it's not going to 100% be there, but at least you can lessen how the intensity of how bad it is. So I'm pretty impressed. I think this is really great for really like these areas where my hair was really thin, where it looked like I was thinning. It really covered them up a lot. So I will link their product down below, so definitely check that out if you deal with this. And like I said, men or women can use this product. So I love you guys. Bye.